Lisa and Ella, and they're going to sing This is Frozen
Ella?
from The First Time in Forever. Lisa and Ishmael pala.
So better, I feel better. You are moving on the planet place. There's a broken empty heart. Lying bottom with no hope. Finally, they're opening up the gates. Then we actually realize people can be totally strange. Why am I so ready for this change? For the first time in forever, that music that you like. For the first time in forever, I'll be dancing through the night. Don't know I made it fancy, but I'm somewhere in that road. That's for the first time in forever. I will be alone. I can make it weird. What is that? Standing there, I'll be the straight and you're tall and fair. I wanna have some chocolate in my face. But then it happens back all in here. Totally bizarre. Nothing like the life but not so far. For the first time in forever, there'll be magic and be light. For the first time in forever, I'll be noticed by someone. And I know it's really crazy to dream about romance. For the first time in forever, at least I have the chance. Don't let them in. Don't let them see. Being a good girl, you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel. Put on a show. Make one wrong move and everyone will know. But it's only for today. Exactly to it. Tell the gods to open up the gate. For the first time in forever, let them see. Being a good girl, you always have to be. Conceal. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. For the first time in forever. For the first time in forever.